To make the performance and feedback process more effective from the employee's side of the experience, you have to create some ownership or autonomy or agency for the employee in the process. So what does that look like? From what I've seen, the organizations that I think are doing this really well, they do a few different things. One, they've created an expectation in the process that basically, rather than the manager initiating a feedback request for the employee and the manager driving it, they've actually turned that responsibility over to the employee. So the employee knows they do have to request feedback. They need to reach out and get feedback, but the employee gets to decide who should be providing feedback. So they're most likely to reach out to the people that have actually seen their work the closest, the people that they trust to give them the best feedback on their work performance. But also the employee gets to have some influence on what questions are asked. So, maybe they choose to focus on a particular part of their performance or something that they've been working on and they want some feedback on. To make that work, one of the ways that I recommend is, if you're going to turn the process over to employees, the thought of writing questions can be intimidating to them. So giving them a library of questions they can choose from is helpful. And in those questions, the way you write those questions can have a lot to do with how willingly your employees will reach out. So instead of traditional feedback questions, which is, tell me how I did on this in the last, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, like what I do well, what could I have done better, use feed forward questions. And feed forward questions actually ask for recommendations or suggestions for the future. So, how could I, give me 3 suggestions on how I could improve my performance in this way, or, give me 3 ideas for how to become a better manager for my team, or how to be a better programmer, or whatever your job is.